In 1951, Tibet became part of China. However, it had its own autonomy and a government based in Lhasa, the capital of Tibet. The Dalai Lama was the leader of Tibet. In the coming years, step by step, the Chinese began to occupy the land in Tibetan territory. The Tibetans didn't like this Chinese activity, and from 1956 on, they started revolting against it. On March 10, 1959, a big Tibetan uprising began in Lhasa. However, the Chinese army strongly suppressed it. 85,000 Tibetans were killed in the uprising. People around the Dalai Lama advised him to leave the country. At first, he didn't want to leave Tibet, but when the situation was getting worse, he finally agreed. The Dalai Lama left Tibet in disguise and only with a small escort. He went across the mountains to India. There he established a government in exile and began helping Tibet from abroad.